An attraction that isn't just an attraction. It's the beating heart of an entire studio. A living, breathing Hollywood machine that has shaped film history while also becoming one of the most iconic attractions ever built. My name is Park Hopper Chris and this is Sunday Ride Showcase, a weekly series where every week I take an attraction from around the world and do a deep dive into its history, how it works, and its impact on the theme park world. And today on episode 46 of Sunday Ride Showcase, we're heading to the entertainment capital of the world, stepping onto real movie sets, surviving earthquakes, floods, and a shark attack, and uncovering the story of the world's largest, longest, and most historic theme park attraction. This is Universal Studios Hollywood Backlot Tour. Before we get into the video, real quick, I just need to say this. There are 91.2% of you who aren't subscribed who keep coming back. Dude, it's literally free.
Oh my god! Wow!
It costs you nothing and at the same time helps me out tremendously. So please, do me a favor and just press subscribe, especially if you keep coming back and you enjoy the content. Just do it. Go now. Okay? Bye. Thanks. The Backlot Tour is older than most theme parks. In the early 1910s, Universal co-founder Carl Laemmle invited the public to come watch silent films being made. Guests would pay 25 cents for a box lunch and backstage access. No stunt shows, no 3D glasses, just real filmmaking. By the 1960s, television was booming. Universal needed revenue, and the idea of a structured guided tour returned. In 1964, the modern studio tour officially launched with simple trams, guided by tour hosts who would talk through loudspeakers as guests rode past active sets. It was raw, it was messy, it was real Hollywood, and the world loved it. As the decades went on, Universal shifted from passive sightseeing to full-scale themed experiences. They began adding special effects sequences, moments that made the tour feel more like a ride. The glamour trams, as they were originally called, became the backbone of expanding movie theme park. Soon came the iconic additions of the Flash Flood, Parting of the Red Sea, Runaway Train, Jaws, Earthquake the Big One, and King Kong Encounter. These weren't just ride scenes, they were technological showcases, each pushing the boundaries of what theme park special effects could do. Without the Backlot Tour's innovations, Universal Studios Hollywood as we know it wouldn't exist. 1986 brought one of the tour's most ambitious creations ever, King Kong Encounter, a massive animatronic gorilla that dominated media headlines. The scale was unprecedented. An animatronic that huge, that lifelike, and that detailed, Disney wasn't doing it. Nobody was. Then tragedy struck. In 2008, a catastrophic fire destroyed Kong Encounter, multiple sets, and a chunk of the backlot. Many thought the tour would never recover, but Universal rebuilt, not with animatronics but with technology. In 2010, the tour introduced King Kong 360 3D, designed by Peter Jackson and Weta Digital. It was the first major modern 3D physical simulator hybrid ever integrated into a tram ride. Their technology was groundbreaking. No ride system moved, the world moved around you. The tour had entered a new era. The most surprising part, it's one of the most simplest ride systems ever, but the show scenes around it are some of the most complex. The tour uses a multi-car tram system powered by a diesel-electric hybrid engine. Each tram can be revised, swapped, or rearranged depending on filming needs or crowd levels. Trams are designed to be lightweight and extremely flexible, able to make tight turns around sets while remaining safe on steep backlot roads. Unlike almost any other theme park ride, the route is not strictly fixed. Operators can reroute around active filming, weather, closed show scenes, and temporary construction. It's a ride that literally changes daily. Most major sequences uses a combination of hydraulic actuators, flood pumps, pyrotechnics, articulated animatronics, motion-controlled set pieces, projection tunnels, and sound effects audio zones. Perhaps the most fascinating innovation is how the tram syncs with each show scene through RFID and block system positioning. Each tram triggers unique sequences as it rolls into each zone. No two runs are identical, but the system ensures precise timing every time. The Jaws scene. The mechanical shark still uses cable-driven motion, heaters to create bubbling water, and timed explosive effects. It's one of the last classic animatronics still operating on the tour. Earthquake, the big one. One of the most impressive effects in theme park history. The scene includes a collapsing free pass overway, a derailing subway car, explosive gas fires, flooding water, and shaking floors using massive hydraulic ramps. And all of it resets in under 60 seconds. The flash flood. Capable of dumping 10,000 gallons of water down a Mexican village set, then immediately pumping it back for the next tram. Supercharged and Kong 360. The modern digital scenes, including Fast and Furious Supercharged, blend 360-degree screens with synchronized tram motion to simulate acceleration without ever physically moving the vehicle. The Backlot Tour has always been in a delicate balancing act. It must serve as a theme park attraction and a real movie studio. That makes it one of the most unique rides ever built. When filming is active, the route changes. When a major movie wraps, sets may appear or disappear. When a show is canceled, that street becomes part of the tour overnight. No other theme park attraction in the world is alive in this way. Universal's Backlot Tour didn't just influence theme parks, it changed them. It introduced the concept of studio as park, inspiring entire resorts. It pioneered combined practical effects with theatrical storytelling. Disney borrowed heavily from the tour-styled sequences for attractions like Catastrophe Canyon in the Great Movie Ride and Studio Backlot Tour in Florida. It normalized the idea of large-scale ride integration with real functioning environments. It also solidified Universal's unique identity: gritty, explosive, humorous, and proudly chaotic. The tour continues to evolve. New Nope sets, updated Fast and Furious content, ever-changing filming areas, seasonal overlays for Halloween Horror Nights, new backlot streets and expansions. Even with digital scenes becoming more common, the charm remains in real sets, the real weather, the real Hollywood. It's the only ride where you can actually witness a show being filmed while you're riding. The Universal Studios Hollywood Backlot Tour is the soul of the park. It represents the past, present, and future of Hollywood. It has survived fires, earthquakes, technological shifts, and the evolution of filmmaking itself, and yet it remains the most authentic, unpredictable, and essential theme park attraction ever created. Thanks for watching episode 46 of Sunday Ride Showcase. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future episodes. Until next time, I'll see you in the queue.